Tips and tricks to discover your personal style. First, what inspires you? Is there a friend or celebrity whose style you admire? Is there a certain piece of clothing she loves to wear that's absolutely perfect to you? Or a certain type of outfit you find stunning? Make a list. Looking at your inspiration photos, list the top 3 things you love about the person's style. Describe each look with one adjective. Pick the 5 words that resonate with you the most when you think about the image you want to convey and how you want to feel in your clothes. Note what clothing elements you appreciate about each outfit, whether it be a fabric or a style of shirt. Second, think about color. A personal neutral can be any color that you love and that flatters your skin tone. Think about the colors you wear most and that people compliment you on. Picking one as your neutral, fewer decisions when you shopping, and easy mixing and matching items in your closet. The third one is add some pop with accessories, scarves, belts, jewelry, shoes, etc. Easily bring an outfit from blah to incredible. If you are just starting out with jewelry, pick a few basic pieces and add a few statement necklaces, bracelets, and earrings in for fun. Experiment and have fun.